How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Freecad tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a gear. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you are inside part design. In here, click part design. And then at the bottom of the pop-up menu, you have to click on the unviolet gear. Now you will have these options to edit out your gear depending on your model, but basically from the control panel, we have to edit the number of teeth, module, pressure, angle, and more. From there, you want to navigate back to part, and then you are going to extrude this by clicking on the extrude option. So it's going to be this one. And then of course you can align this the way you want to. Now I'll make it something like 20 millimeters for the length. Then of course, let's just click on apply. Let's select our object right here, click apply once more, and fuck. Now you also have to select your shape on the bottom of the extrude option. Click apply, and basically from there, this will then extrude our gear or our thread. Now you want to go ahead and basically edit this the way you want to, but I've only make it this way. But once again, just navigate through this option, adjust it according to your design, and basically you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.